Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, power lift gate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.